welcome back to the channel.
Today we're going to be picking up a MK1 Caddy UK spec for Matthew.
Yeah, for me.
Hey. So, where are we going today?
We're going to Northampton today to go and look at go and pick up a Caddy. We're not looking at it, we've already looked at it. So, but we're going to go and pick that up, bring it back.
What's the current state of the Caddy? What does it look like?
It's in a state.
It's in a state.
Yeah, it's not an estate, it's in a state.
So there's no rear axle for a...
There's no rear axle, he's got lower arms and hubs, but he hasn't got the shock, he's got one shock absorber.
Right.
So we've got some bits and pieces to get it on there, but all the rock's been cut out of it and it's got all the panels with it what just need welding. They're not serious, lots of welding, just a few bits and pieces need doing.
Cool.
And get some colour on it.
Sweet. Should we go get it?
Let's grab it. Let's go.
So what's happening with the back? It's on wheels?
Yeah, it's got the wheels on the back.
Nice.
Homemade wheels.
Nice.
What we need to do back afterwards.
What year is it?
F3.
Alright, that means nothing to me. Like what year?
88.
88. This is where I ask that question again, where I say, how are we going to get that car on this?
And forward. A little bit more. Oh, okay. One left. Forward. There we are. Now it's going to break that way. Try and think. Yeah, that's it. Like that, yeah?
Well done, mate. New tailgate. I mean, if you've got a spare 800 quid, I'm sure you could buy one of his tailgates. Even better, if you had like a spray can or a pen, just write Volkswagen on the back, and you're
Volkswagen.
Yeah.
Customs.
Then it'll be a proper tailgate. Mate,
Nice to meet you, mate.
nice to meet you.
Sweet. Have a good one, guys.
Cheers, mate. What do they say in South Africa? See you later, bro.
See you later, bro.
Bro.
Bro, that's the one.
See ya, bro. Right, guys. Shall we go back to Buntingford? Is that it? Did I say it right?
You said it right.
Buntingford. All right, bro.
Huh?
First things first.
Melted chocolate.
Nice. So you've got the truck, you've got the shell, you've got parts for it, panels.
Well, truck is the shell.
That's what I mean. You've got the shell, you've got all these bits to go as well.
Yeah, got loads of bits. Got a house bits, like flat window.
Yeah.
But I'm going to put a sliding window in.
Jamie.
Got my hands out the sunroof and blasting our favorite tunes.
I think the sunroof suits it.
Mate, I don't know that many trucks that have got a sunroof. What do you think, Jamie? What have they bought? What do you think?
You know what I would actually do? I just lacquer the whole thing. Like not satin lacquer, like matte lacquer.
You can get like proper patina stuff, like patina sauce. In America, you can get Poppy's patina. But the trouble is shipping it to the UK. But there are other options in the UK. I've heard you can get for protecting it.
Right, we've got a truck back. Get it on the ramp and have a look at it. But I think it's time for us to go now. And yeah, and we'll do another video soon.
Like and subscribe to the channel to see what happens to it. If you want to follow us on Instagram, Cricket Customs for Carry Archive Projects, and leave us a comment to see what you were doing.